Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. And when I used to get socks for my kids, I would always get them the cute, fun colors. And I quickly learned that that's overrated. We found these socks from Amazon Essentials. Now they do come in cute colors if that's your thing, but I chose the basic white because my kids will never keep those cute, stylish socks paired with their mate. So then they're not cute and matching anymore. They're just colors all over the place. So I love that these all look the same. You don't have to worry about pairing them up exactly to their mate. The sizing, I think, can be a little bit confusing. So these that I ordered for my 9-year-old are the large. He wears a size 6 tennis shoe, and he's got a little bit of room for growth in these, just for size reference. They are the perfect thickness. They're not super thin and they're not super thick to where it feels uncomfortable in the tennis shoe. The inside is really soft and comfortable, gives them a little bit of warmth, but not too much. I love how the ankle is cut. It adds to the comfort level. For my son, he can't tolerate like crew neck style socks. He doesn't like all the elastic. So the ankle socks are perfect for him. So if you just want a great basic quality sock, these will not disappoint. And that's my point of view.